If you want to perform Google backup on POCO X7 Pro, here's what you need to do. First of all, we're gonna go to the settings, scroll all the way down, and choose Google. Over here, you might be able to find the information that backup is off, or something similar to that, and you should be able to manage the backup. If you don't have this tile over here, you cannot press it, then you can also switch to all services, and then scroll down until you find the backup option. And we're gonna choose this one. Now, since I don't have my backup set up yet, I can choose what I want to back up. So in this case, we can choose photos and videos, as well as other device data, such as contacts, call history, and so on and so forth. So you can decide what you want to back up, and then press confirm. Now, once the backup status is showing that it is on, we can go to manage backup, and you might also see immediately this menu over here. So in order to perform the backup, now we can press backup now over here. You might need to use your fingerprint actually we cannot use fingerprint. We need to enter the screen lock password. So let's do this. And there we go. We are now backing up our data. And that is essentially it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel and see you in my next videos. Bye.